So hello and welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how I dye my roots using this kit. It's by Clairol and I've got it in medium champagne. So I shall show you the before and then I'll come back to you after. I've just worked out, so excuse me for looking a bit no makeup. Anyway, what I'm going to be using today is this. It's the Clairol Root Touch-Up, and I've gone for medium champagne, which is 8.5A. Now, I've not used this colour before. It's a little bit darker than what I'd normally use, but my hair at the moment is quite blonde. So I just want to put a bit of darkness back into it. So all you need is these. I'm not a professional hairdresser or anything. I've just learned how to do this myself. So it's a mixing bowl and then a brush that you mix, and then the comb is really helpful to sort of be able to separate your hair. So what I'm going to do to start with is mix the product together. So within the little pack you do actually get your own brush and mixing bowl, as it were, so no worries if you've not got one like I've got. So in the box you get two items. You get the actual colour cream and then the colour activating lotion. So you just pop both of those in the bowl and mix them together. Right, so I've mixed that all together now. Ooh, it's quite potent. Just giving that a good old blend round and mix together. So in the Root Touch-Up kit you don't actually get that much because it's not for your whole head. So you also get a pair of gloves, but I've not put them on, but you might want to. Right, I'm going to section my hair into pieces. I'm going to I want to do some there, so like a T, so across there, and then I want to do a bit through there and a bit through there to pick up these greys around the side. So I'm going to start this side. Hopefully you can see the colour and the grey there. I've got some clips. You don't have to have these, but again, because my hair's long, it just keeps it out of the way. That's a nice look, isn't it? Okay, so I'm going to start just by applying a little bit to the front, and I go about 1.5 inches down just so it grabs it, and then I'll do the same going up, and I come right out to the hairline. Make sure the hairs are very saturated, and then I'll also just sort of blend it a bit into the back there. Right, so that's that. What you can do with that brush, well, this contraption, just flick it over, and then I'll put a bit through the next section. So again, just coming down about 1.5 inches, but you would do it accordingly to how much regrowth you've got, whether it be a month, an inch or two. And then again the other side, and a bit into the crown. I'm going to try and do a bit under my fringe now, so just a bit going in the front of the fringe and then a little bit at the back. And then I've just remembered I need to do a bit near the sides. This is where I get a lot of grey. And then I shall flick over and do another section over here. Got just under half left, so that's good. And then just a bit at the back, again to catch the crown. And then another go over here. Yeah, you can really see the growth there. And then I'll just do one more section there. So what I'm going to do with the remainder, I've just got a little bit left. I've pulled sort of an area of my hair away now and clipped it up. So I'm just going to just do a little bit around the sort of crown area. So that's it all done now. I'm going to leave it for about 15 minutes. Again, if you're a bit nervous, just do it for maybe 10 the first time. And you get within here a little bottle of conditioner. So I just use my bed head TG shampoo, and then I will use the conditioner out of this for the first couple of washes, just so it helps with the colour. Right, so I'm going to leave it now and I shall see you later once I've washed it off. So I'm really pleased with how it's turned out. It's just put a little bit of darkness back into it. The blonde was looking a bit washed out, I think you'd call it. The colour was sort of washed out. So it's just given me a bit more of tones through my hair again, which I really like. So I'll just show you. So that's the sides. You can see all the roots, and the grey is now gone, and obviously the top. So yeah, that's it. So I hope you've enjoyed that video. If you're not already a subscriber, hit that button. I know quite a few of you are watching the videos, but you're not subscribing. So yeah, it'd be great if you wanted to do that. Leave me a comment below if you've ever tried to dye your own roots, or if you've got any questions. I'll answer them gladly. All right, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.